In this video, I will guide you how to make any video look like a movie in CapCut cinematic effects. So let's get started. So first open the CapCut and select the video and add to the timeline. And now head to the video section and click on the mask tab and click on the add mask. Select the film strips and go to the starting point and adjust the cinematic effect position and here. And now scroll down and click on the mask setting keyframe and close the effect to fully black. And now head to the clip where you want to fully open the video and then click keyframe and open the video and adjust the size. And now let's play it how it looks. This is what you can see that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.